Give me a quick Bitcoin update. This is Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. This is the chart that I always show on YouTube. Of course, price was here. I was thinking due to it just being bullish that we're going to break above our trend line, very strong, powerful trend line, and then get a retest potentially on it if we continue to the upside. But I'm still looking to the downside. It needs to retrace, in my opinion. It can't just go straight up. If it does, it's very unhealthy because when it finally rolls over, it's going to go down nice and hard. Potentially, I was looking for a bounce here. That didn't happen. So what I am looking for is something like this. There's people taking shorts right now, but they also took shorts, here and then got stopped out. Same thing here. People took shorts here and got stopped out. So what they're doing is they're taking shorts so that when they can brag to everybody on YouTube, on X, how great they are, how amazing they are, join their group, they call the top, etc., but they continue to call the top. So here, based off of this chart, I'm thinking that price may come down. Now, one thing I do want to point out is, ever since we broke this out of this area, we went up, we just went sideways, then we didn't come down. Then we came up, came down a little bit, but look at this extension leg and barely came down. Then we came up, came down, came up, took a lot of it, came up, and right now we're here. So in my opinion, we may go a little bit lower or even come up from here to for this to be the retrace. And then we continue up, kind of doing this, going up, break the level or get rejected here, come down, do a higher low, continue up. Or what I'm looking forward to is potentially just giving this a break, giving it a breather so all the indicators can rest and reset. I'm looking for it to come down in this zone, and this is a 4-hour. This is candle body, candle wick, so this creates this little zone, just in case you're wondering. Then, for it to come down, come up, do a lower high, break this level. Once it breaks this level, I'm going to start looking for a short. Now, could you short right now? Yes, of course, you can short whenever you want. Lower time frame, and you can set your alerts and everything else, and 3-minute time frame is good. 15-minute time frame is a little bit better because it's higher time frame. But here I set my alert, and what I'm looking for is for it to break this so that now I could potentially enter a short, because I'm thinking we might bounce here, 117.5. This is where I'm thinking we might bounce. This is a really nice area. This was resistance. So this is a key level. So hopefully it'll be a nice key level. And not only that, if we do the fib retracement, make sure our magnet tool is on from the absolute low to the high. This right here for the possible bounce is right at the 0.5. This would be absolutely perfect if it can come down here, or at least into this zone right here. So I'm looking for the potential bounce to be right in here about 118 and hopefully go down to 117.5 for the bounce. And then what we might do is we might do something like this where we come down here, maybe get a bounce here, then potentially do a lower high, which is fine. Then come down here, higher low, and then now break this level, which would be great. Then maybe come down here and now attack this again. And now this box is now our support box, and then we continue up. So this would actually be much healthier than it just continuing to go up from here. All right, so that's all I got. I do thank you guys right now. Once again, I do have my alert here for shorts. Could you short now? Sure, of course. You want to brag on X, how great you are. That's great. It's super high risk because, again, it could go up. The likelihood of it going down is great. However, due to the new moon, due to all-time high, due to the FOMO potentially kicking in, then you could get stopped out again. Once again, people were going short here, they got stopped out. People were going short here, they get stopped out. People are going short here, and if it does come down, we'll see it tomorrow on X, how much of a genius they are. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. If you have any questions, please put it in the VIP chat. Once again, this is an exclusive VIP video update on Bitcoin. And I'm going to probably do another video with more details as far as Bitcoin goes. Once again, for the VIP group. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.